Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the GreenChat Portable Washer. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which machine is the better choice for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The COSTWAY Twin Tub offers a substantial washing capacity of 26 pounds, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the GreenChat Portable Washer has a capacity of 15 liters, which is more suitable for smaller items or individual use. If you frequently wash larger items or have a family, the COSTWAY may be the better option. The COSTWAY model features a twin tub design with a built-in drain pump, allowing for efficient washing and spinning. On the other hand, the GreenChat Portable Washer boasts a foldable design, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. Depending on your needs, these features could significantly influence your choice. When it comes to price, the GreenChat Portable Washer is much more affordable at just $59, compared to the COSTWAY Twin Tub, which is priced at $189. If budget is a primary concern, the GreenChat offers excellent value for those who need a compact washing solution. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the GreenChat Portable Washer have their unique strengths. If you need a larger capacity and more features, the COSTWAY is the way to go. However, if portability and price are your main concerns, the GreenChat is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.